welcome back to the channel. It's me, Saber, and if you're new, hello, my name is Saber. It is so nice to meet you. Dun, 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Final Fantasy XIV cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making stuffed cabbage roll. What? It's from, I apologize for not saying this right, but it's a regional cuisine of Gear Abnia. Sorry, but that's what we're making today. This is what it's supposed to look like. Wow, it kind of looks fancy, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Yummy. But we have another little Namazu saying something here. Are they all Namazu, I think? No, they're not. Okay. There's what it looks like in the game. Oh, I don't think I've actually had this one, but I was looking through the cookbook and I thought it would be kind of fun to try this because, well, I've never made a stuffed cabbage roll before, so I don't know, it's something new. And something that I could probably do, you know, perhaps. But we are making the stuffed cabbage roll. It is on difficulty easy. The prep time is 45 minutes. The cook time is an hour and a half, and it yields 10 rolls. Really? I thought it was just gonna do the 2. Oh my god, wait, does it really? Whoops. And dietary notes is dairy free. Okay, okay. So here's all the, not a lot of equipment that is needed, and just the biggest part, it's like, well, I guess it's pretty even for tomato, like for the sauce and then the cabbage, what you like stuff the cabbage. So, and it's only 6 steps. So, I mean, I'm feeling confident in this one. I mean, it's difficulty easy. So, let's see if it truly is easy. I don't know. It looks yummy. Let's see if it does end up taking, what is this, 2.5 hours-ish? 2:35-ish? I'll round it up to 3 hours. So it'll take like 3 hours. Like, I know it's really early, but we'll have it for lunch. It's like 9:49 a.m. Let's see if it ends up taking about 3 hours. 9, 10, 11, 12, almost 1. Yeah, that's perfect lunchtime. Though it seems like a dinner thing. Anyway, that's getting besides the point. But we'll see if it ends up taking that amount of time. We do need to add Sarah time, which is about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So, oh god, it's difficulty easy. Maybe I won't need to add the time. I don't know. We'll find out together, gang. What do you guys think? Let me know. And let me know if you are right or not at the end. So here is what the Namazu said, and then we'll read the steps. When we were in Ralger's Reach, a Makote named Minago pulled me aside and asked if I had time to lend her a hand. She said that she had heard all Namazu are excellent craftsfish, but I informed her that my fins were made for cooking. Yes, yes. She said it was perfect and handed me a request for some stuffed cabbage rolls. I had never made them before, but it seemed simple enough, so I made her a set and had some for myself too. She also handed me some weird yellow napkins, but they didn't do a good job of cleaning my fins. Am I gonna like react to that being cute every time? Yes, I am. It's adorable. I don't know why I really chose this one. I mean, honestly, well, okay, actually, I do know why. It looked good. It looks yummy. I'm down to try making something in a cabbage roll. I think it would be a nice segue into other stuffed vegetables. I don't know, but it looks yummy. And I wanted pasta. We got tomato sauce. Close enough, right? I don't know. I'm sure there's pasta in here, but I don't know. But yeah, let me go ahead and get everything all gathered, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, and here are all of the ingredients. You know, that really isn't that bad. There's garlic over there. This rice thing is just huge. All right. Wow. We have everything all gathered. We've seen everything that we need to do. I was surprised that it's going to make 10 rolls. I really did think it was just going to make 2 rolls, but that's a lot. That's a lot for the whole weekend. I think this will be fun. Fun and easy. It was only 10 rolls for 1 pound of lamb. Also, I've never cooked with lamb before. And it was kind of crazy because I was looking at the ingredients and I'm like, can I get a pound of lamb? So I looked at one of my supermarkets. Sure enough, they had it grass-fed. You know, sidebar, whenever I was a kid, I used to go to church. Oh, duh. And my first name, like, is Mary, and you know what they would always say? Mary had a little lamb. Gotta unpack that there. But yeah, that's when I think of lamb, I think of that. I guess now we'll try lamb. I've never tried lamb before. Like, what should I don't even know what to expect. I just know it's ground meat. Hmm. Curious, quite curious. With tomato sauce? Sure, yeah, why not? I'm down. Like that is a new adventure. Let's see if I like it or not. I don't know. I'm a little worried though because the last thing I made from the cookbook was slightly bland. It was good. It was good, but it was a little bland. So I think I'm going to keep an eye out as well on the tomato sauce to make sure it tastes pretty okay. So, though I guess I should have been doing that from the start. Why haven't I? You may wonder. I'm also wondering that. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started and see how it goes. I'm sure it'll go great. I'm positive it'll go great, actually. It seems really straightforward. It's only 6 steps. Let's see if it does end up taking about 2 hours. Let's add Sarah time. Since it's easy, instead of 2 hours, I'm gonna add like maybe an hour. So, 2.5 hours. I want to say like 3.5 hours. It is now 10 a.m. So let's see if it ends up taking until very late, 10. I don't know, take your bets. How long is it going to take? Were you right? I don't know. I'm gonna say 3 p.m. I'm gonna say 3 p.m. We'll see if I'm right or wrong. Step 1. In a medium saucepan over medium heat, stir together the sauce ingredients and bring to a slight boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until the sauce thickens about 20 minutes. Set aside. Step 2. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Remove any dark green leaves from the cabbage and cut about ½ inch off the bottom. Place the cabbage in the boiling water and boil until the cabbage softens about 10 minutes. Carefully remove the cabbage from the water and run cold water over it. Remove 10 leaves from the cabbage and set aside. Chop the remaining cabbage and place in a deep baking dish. Step 3. In a small pan over medium-high heat, combine 1 teaspoon of oil and the onions. Cook until the onions have softened about 5 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for another 2 minutes. Remove from the heat, transfer the mixture to a medium bowl, and let cool. Step 4. Add the lamb, rice, salt, pepper, oregano, and basil to the bowl with the onion and garlic and mix until just combined. Using your hands, divide the mixture into 10 equal parts. I'm so bad at separating things equally. Step 5. To assemble the rolls, make a 1-inch cut in the stem of a cabbage leaf. Place one of the filling portions in the center of the leaf and shape it into a log. Roll the leaf up from the bottom, tucking the sides in, and wrap the leaf at the top. Place on top of the chopped cabbage in the baking pan, seam side down. Repeat with the remaining lamb portions and cabbage. Step 6. Cover the cabbage rolls with the tomato sauce. Oh god, okay, there's like no room. This might have been too small. Okay, let's just see how it goes. I really thought this was big enough. Oh no, it's spilling everywhere. It's gonna be messy, I don't care. Bake until the filling is cooked about 45 to 60 minutes. It's most definitely warm. There it is. Let's see how it looks on a plate now. I don't even know how I want to get this out. I don't want it to like break. Alright, so it doesn't have a lot of sauce, but that's okay because I have the sauce on the side. Hold on. Let me try to make it pretty or some shit. Okay. Good enough, I'd say. Alright, and here's the reveal. Okay. That's what it's supposed to look like. This is how it came out. Like, okay. It kind of came a little apart on the back. But like, it looks good. It smells good. It smells good. I added more sauce on the top because there was a lot of extra, as you can see, like right here. So here it is. Now it's time to try it. Okay, let's try it.
It's gonna be okay.
I'm sure. What do you mean?
Like, I think it's gonna be messy.
Yeah, it's gonna be messy.
So I guess mainly like, are you gonna be okay?
I'm gonna be fine. It's time for the bite. Now,
Try it.
I'm also trying. Okay.
I don't think I got any lamb.
Did you taste the lamb? Here's the lamb.
Okay, got some lamb. It's like beef, kind of, a little bit.
It's kind of bland. Well, I guess not really. I don't know. There's rice in it too.
Okay. I think it's fine.
Yeah. I mean, it tastes good. I think it does taste good. I'm just trying to taste the lamb. Like, I'm trying to, like,
Yeah.
process it. I like it. I think it's good.
I'm definitely gonna like unwrap it.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair. Struggling to eat it, but yeah, it's good. I think the sauce, like just trying the lamb by itself. Yeah, I might need to get a knife. I think I just have to find my groove to eat it, if that makes sense. That's a little weird, isn't it? But it's fine. But I think it tastes good. Let me dunk some of that tomato sauce with it. It's just, I'm trying to like really appreciate the taste of lamb, but I don't think I'm smart enough to comprehend what I'm eating. I don't know. It does taste pretty good. There is the rice that's mixed into it, so I don't know if it's like what makes it a little bit more squishy. I finished this at 12:59, like ready to eat, plated up and everything at 12:59. We started at 10 a.m. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. And I said 3 p.m. Oh my god, I was wrong. I'm glad I was wrong. I was off by like 2 hours. Okay, yeah, all right. Yeah, I think it's good. I think it's good. Would I make this again? I don't know. I don't know because like it is lamb. I've never cooked with it before. I think it's pretty cool. For anybody who has eaten lamb before, is there like a favorite thing? I know like lamb chops is a thing, but is there like anything that you guys really, really like? Because I want to check it out. I want to try it, like compare it and stuff. I think the tomato sauce came out pretty good. I'm a big fan of it. I was struggling to get all of the cabbage lettuces apart, and I ended up just doing too much and filling up the baked dish too much too. Oh well. Also, I overstuffed it. That's okay. It's okay. Ended up working out, I think. Yeah, this was a pretty easy recipe. Was able to get through it here within a couple of hours. I didn't really count prep time. It took me about it didn't take me too long to get the prep together. Less than 30 minutes, I want to say, but I need to start timing that too. But yep, there it is. Here it is. Yummy. Have you guys had cabbage rolls before? I'm sure you can like put anything in there, but I don't even know where cabbage rolls are traditionally from. I'm not sure. I need to look into it more. I think it's a pretty good like thing to have for dinner and stuff. So, I mean, we're having it for lunch, but same diff. I think it would be a lot better to like, I don't know. It seems more appropriate to have it in dinner time, but also I guess it doesn't really matter, honestly, as long as you're eating. Remember to eat. But yeah, I guess that's all I got for y'all today. Do you guys have any goals in Final Fantasy XIV currently? Mine are logging in. I need to finish story. I need to catch up on story. And I know there was a patch that just happened. So I'm falling a little bit more behind again, but that's okay. I don't know, who knows? By the next time I do a recipe from this cookbook, maybe I'll have better progress to share with you guys. That's all I got for y'all today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and or a comment or both. That would be cool. Or not, you're the boss of yourself. But I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for watching through this video and making it into the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Or not, whatever, whatever. I'll be around. Bye!